was kind of moving around in the same area, San Gabriel, about just almost got that car there going through the intersection that blew through. To see how he tries to get through this as he comes in, boom, right through on the right shoulder through that red light. As the street we're coming on now on the brakes. Oh, got a left turner there, weaving his way through traffic, and then makes it on through. Luckily, they'll have lights in front, but he's going to the right shoulder. Boom, right there, crashed, left turner. And that's right, the intersection of...
The chase ended when the white car crashed into another vehicle. The driver and two passengers fled but were quickly apprehended. The scene was filled with debris, and police are conducting further investigations.
In April 2023, police in Hidalgo County were pursuing a suspect involved in human trafficking. Officers attempted to use their hazard lights to signal the vehicle to stop, but the suspect accelerated and fled, intensifying the chase.
We're going to be heading northbound on Hey, get there! 3 David, por favor, compro lower. Con la mano atrás, con la mano atrás.
The driver, traveling at high speed, lost control on a dirt road and flipped the vehicle. Several individuals, believed to be illegal immigrants, fled the scene on foot. Police apprehended the driver, a resident of Mission, along with 5 undocumented immigrants from Mexico. On April 12, 2021, Florida Highway Patrol officers initiated a pursuit of a truck attempting to flee from law enforcement. The officers signaled for the vehicle to pull over safely, but the driver ignored the commands and attempted to accelerate away. Due to the size and unwieldiness of the suspect's vehicle, it was difficult for police to approach and bring the pursuit to an end. This posed a significant danger on the road, as the suspect's reckless actions put both law enforcement officers and others around him at great risk. Numerous police officers established a perimeter to contain the suspect's vehicle, but the driver remained defiant, creating a chaotic and dangerous situation on the road.
She's on foot trying to break into another car.
After police attempted to stop the vehicle, the driver fled on foot and tried to enter another truck, but was quickly apprehended. The suspect, later identified as Rochelle Janine Sylvan, was charged with auto theft, driving while intoxicated, failure to obey a lawful order, and several other offenses. On February 15, 2024, while on patrol in Hot Springs, police spotted a white pickup truck committing a traffic violation. Officers activated their lights and attempted to pull the vehicle over, but the driver ignored the signal and sped off. Without hesitation, the police immediately initiated a pursuit. The chase was short-lived as the police swiftly closed the gap, executing a pit maneuver that caused the vehicle to lose control and come to a stop in the grass.
What's your mile marker?
I just get him out. He's in the knee. He keeps running. Send an ambulance. Send an ambulance.
No.
The driver, not wearing a seatbelt, was ejected from the vehicle and struck the concrete, losing consciousness. Police quickly assessed the situation and called for medical assistance, who transported the driver to the hospital. Once he recovers, he will face the appropriate legal consequences for his actions.
The 60-mile-per-hour chase began as police tracked a murder suspect. Recklessly running red lights and weaving through busy intersections, he desperately tried to evade capture.
We're going northbound on 55th Street, approaching Burleigh. Speeds are approximately 40 miles an hour. Traffic is light, road conditions are dry. He's going to be coming out to Burleigh right now in a second. 724, he's going to continue east. 724, he's going to continue. How many cars off right?
After an intense pursuit through countless streets, police finally brought the suspect under control. The gripping chase ended with a decisive arrest, restoring safety and calm to the community. The chase began when police tried to stop a car with expired tags. The driver sped off, weaving through streets and grass, recklessly racing through a residential area to escape.
It's up in the grass. Just parallel. Complex, just east of Sherwood, coming out to 10. All right, west on 10. You're good? Clear, sorry. Yep. Through Sherwood. All right, we're over on Mount Block.
The chase took a tragic turn when the suspect's car slammed into a massive truck, wedging beneath it as airbags exploded on impact. The scene was swiftly locked down, leaving behind a chilling and unforgettable wreck.